Hello, Professor. This is my Chapter 4 YouTube video. Um, the assignment was to make this and this, as I'm sure you're aware. This is the function right here. So turtle paces is just the length of one of these legs here. Reps is just the number of repetitions going through this loop here. And then angle is obvious enough. For eye and range, set the number of reps so that you can make it larger or smaller very easily. You'll go forward X number of paces, whatever's given. So in this case, it's 5. Paces goes up by 5, and then he will do a right turn of angle given. And since this one is nice and straight, it's 90 degrees, so we'll go ahead and run this. I'm sure you can see where this is going, and so I'll just leave that right there. And then for the other one here, all I did was just change it so that I found with a smaller number like 50, the pattern just wasn't large enough in order to be able to get this full sort of swooping effect going on over here. And so I had to bump it up a little bit further. And then I just had to change it just very slightly, very, very slightly to 88 degrees. And so here is this one. And there we go. Thank you.